Dear ZeeLancer, in today's tutorial, we will discuss how you can track customer orders placed online on your store from anywhere in the world at your preferred location. When a customer visits your store, they scroll down to the product catalog, get interested in a product, and click on the Add to Cart or Buy Now button. A product detail pop-up will appear where the customer can select product color, size, and quantity. The customer can either add the product to the cart to continue shopping or buy it directly. If the customer clicks on the Add to Cart button, the product will be added to the cart for later purchase. They can continue shopping by searching for another product. Suppose they find another product and click its View Detail option. The details of the product open on a new page where they can choose color, size, and quantity of the product and click on the Buy Now button. The customer will then be redirected to the checkout page, where they can review the order summary, selected product details, subtotal, shipping cost, taxation, and the overall billing amount. If satisfied, they click on Proceed to Checkout, where they must enter their name, phone number, email address if required, street address, city, and zip code. Depending on your store configuration, OTP may or may not be required. In this demo, OTP is turned off. The country and state are already selected, but the customer can update them if needed. They can also add special remarks. Once the form is complete, they proceed to the payment section where they can choose between credit or debit card and cash on delivery depending on your store configuration. Suppose they choose COD and place the order. Once submitted, the customer receives a tracking ID to track the order on your store, and a confirmation email is automatically sent on behalf of your store to the customer's email. As a merchant, you can go to your ZeeLance login page if not already logged in. Click on the Login button, enter your username and password, and press Login. You will then see your connected business in front of your name. If you do not see it, you must first upgrade your account to a business account by connecting your store. For help, you can watch the tutorial on upgrading a ZeeLance account. Once your business is connected, click on ERP Center and then go to Online Sale Management. Here you can see the newly placed order. By clicking Show More, you can check full order details including what was purchased, customer data, delivery address, and other details. A bit further up, you can also directly call the customer by clicking the call icon, send an SMS, or message them on WhatsApp. You can set the payment recovery date so you do not forget about recoveries, and you can also update the order status with comments such as Courier Service Tracking ID so that your customer can track their order in real time on your store with their tracking ID. If the customer requests any changes, you can click on the product to update the order, including color, size, price, or quantity. Then click Submit, and it will ask for payment details. If full or partial payment is received, you can enter it here. If payment is still not received, leave it empty and click Save. For printing the shipping label, click on the Print option, which provides details of the customer, shipping location, and payment details. For the full billing details, click on the PDF icon to print the complete bill, where you can have all details of products purchased, payments made, and any remaining payment. Furthermore, to check revenue or orders placed within a specific date range, you can click the Print icon in the top corner and choose from options such as Company's Current Overdue Recoveries, Company Total Sales Within Date, Client Current Overdue Recoveries, or Total Sales to Client Within Date. For example, if you click on Company Total Sales Within Date and select Last Month, it will generate a detailed report that you can print. This way, you can fully manage and track all orders placed on your ZeeLance store. ZeeLance makes everything for you in just one click. Your business is now only one click away from you.